If you're experiencing the Cloud Save Error 2025 in EA FC25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the problem may be on EA's end, and waiting for a fix can be the best solution. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your gaming console or PC completely and then restart it. This can help clear temporary glitches that might be causing the Cloud Save error. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your EA FC25 game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your game library and install them, as updates often include bug fixes. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're out of console, clear the cache by holding the power button until the system shuts down, then unplug it for a few minutes. For PC users, you can clear the cache through the game's settings or by deleting temporary files. Step 5. Relink your EA account. Log out of your EA account and then log back in. This can help refresh your account connection and resolve any syncing issues that may be causing the error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloud Save error and get back to enjoying your game. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.